Hi friends, welcome to Science Fanatics. In this video session, we are going to discuss about fiber to fabric. See the beautiful clothes in this wardrobe. Oh, so many varieties of clothes made up of different types of fabric. These fabrics are different in looks as well as different in texture. But these clothes are not easy to make. It's a long process making fabric from fibers. Let's discuss about all those things in this session. Clothes are very important for us. It protects us from heat, sun, cold, rain, and even insects bites. Have you ever wondered what material used by the people in ancient time for clothing? They used barks, leaves of trees, skins of animals, and fur to cover themselves. Slowly, with the growing population, they learned to weave twigs and grass into baskets and mats. Stitched fabrics came much later after the invention of the needle. Do you know what fabrics are made of? Take a cloth and pull out a thread and untwist the thread. You can see that a number of smaller threads or hair-like strands. They are nothing but fibers. Fiber is a hair-like strand from which all fabrics are made. There are two types of fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Even we can call synthetic fiber as man-made fibers also. The fibers which are obtained from nature, like plants and animals, are called natural fibers. The fibers which are obtained from the chemicals or synthesized in the laboratory, they are called as man-made fibers or synthetic fibers. Example of natural fibers which are obtained from the plants like cotton, jute, hemp, flax, etc. From animals, wool, silk, they are all the examples. Synthetic fibers, terylene, polyester, rayon, they are the example of the synthetic fibers. Let's move on to that cotton fibers. Cotton fibers are obtained from the cotton plant. The plant requires a warm climate with a moderate rainfall, and it needs a black soil for their growth. We can obtain the cotton fibers from the fruit part of the plant, that is called as cotton boll. It gets dried due to the sun's heat and then it will be harvested. Once it gets harvested, the separation of the cotton fibers from the seeds, that process is called as ginning. So once the fibers are cleaned and they are spun into a long yarn or thread-like structure, that is called as spinning. The process of making yarn from the fiber is called as a spinning process. From the yarn, we can make a fabric. Let's move on to the jute. Jute fiber is obtained from the jute plant. So jute plant requires heavy rainfall. So it usually planted in the rainy season. The fibers are obtained from the stem part of the jute plant. They are naturally glued together by a sticky substance. To remove that one, they just soak the stems for 2 to 3 days. So the stem started to get rotten and we can get the fibers from it. So the process of separating the fibers from the stem is called as retting. So in that process only, we are getting the jute fibers from the jute plant. So later on, it will be washed and dried, and it is used to make ropes, mats, bags, and furnishing materials. The next one, we are going to talk about flax. Flax we are getting from the stem part of the flax plant, and it is used for making robes, paper, and even we can obtain the fabric from the flax fiber, that is called as a linen. Hemp is also obtained from the stem part of the hemp plant. We are used to make ropes, carpets, nets and paper. Coir is obtained from the outer covering of the fruit pot of the coconut palm tree. It is mainly used to make ropes, floor coverings, doormats, etc. Let's move on to the animal fibers. Animal fibers are wool and silk. Wool is obtained from sheep, goat, yak, camel, llama and alpaca. Silk is obtained from silkworm. In the cycle of, if you just observe that the life cycle of a butterfly, in the cocoon, in the pupa stage, it started to develop a cocoon around it. That cocoon only is made up of fibers. With that fibers only we are getting the silk. Let's talk about making a fabric. Yarns are processed to make a fabric. The fabric is stitched to make clothes. The two main processes used for making fabric out of fiber are knitting and weaving. Knitting is the process of making fabric by forming a series of connected loops of yarn. So that is mainly used for clothes such as sweaters, woolen caps, woolen socks and woolen gloves. So especially the woolen clothes and all made by knitting process only. Knitting can be done by using knitting needles or also done by using the knitting machines. Weaving, the process of making fabric by crossing two sets of yarn over and under each other, is called weaving. Fabrics for shirts, t-shirts and trousers are usually made by weaving. Weaving can be done on machines called looms, which can be hand operated, that is called as hand looms, and or power operated, that is called as power looms. So today we have completed the whole lesson. The next video we are going to talk about another part of the lesson. Thank you.